What if Naruto became a demon slayer instead of Tanjiro? Welcome to Anime Exhibit. He wasn't a ninja here, just a boy who lost everything to a demon. Initial confusion and struggle to understand breathing technique. Chakra, breathing techniques, and Nichiren blades now define survival. Training arc, the path to a demon slayer. Former Hashira sees something in him something divine and deadly. Breathing styles clash with chakra. Naruto begins to shape his own. His chakra reserves defy logical. This be a new breathing style? Naruto's unique fighting style. Shadow clones in formation, 12 blades, 1 will. Kurama's chakra erupts. Is it salvation or annihilation? Sage mode awakens. The mark glows. Demons tremble. The Demon King Muzan reacts. Hashira whisper, too powerful, too unpredictable. Rules were made to protect, but Naruto was made to break them. Muzan watches. He senses a threat unlike any before. A new force enters the warren born of pain, forged in hope. Impact on the Demon Slayer world. Techniques evolve. The course adapts. Naruto leads. He sees the humanity in demons and the cracks in tradition. Could compassion be the final weapon against Muzan? Unity, understanding. Naruto's way might be the only way. Naruto's presence potentially accelerates advancements in demon-slaying techniques. Pushing the cores to adapt to his unique methods.